Hmm. So guys, quickly start. Warm up question. Alright guys, answer quickly. Chalo. Now R plus is not very much motivating. 1 to 4 is slightly motivating. Guys, see, you know that this is allowed to be -1 or 1. Yes or no? Sure. So 2 to the power -1 is equals to x by 2 implies x equal to 1. 2 to the power 1 is equals to x by 2 implies x equal to 4. What is the problem? Just exclude 0. Got it? So coincidentally, there is no 0 here coming. Yes or no? Getting my point, getting my point, getting my point, getting my point. So 1 to 4 is straight answer. Muthu Ganpati, here the one who is finally ruling the scenarios is sine inverse. What is inside allowed inside sine inverse is everything between -1 and 1, right or not? So yes, okay. Good. There is literally no rocket science, beta. Domain and range are so easy. What is the range of y equal to x upon 1 plus x square? What is the range of f of x or y equal to x upon 1 plus x square? So simple, right? Please, 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 please. Zero to one. If I'll put x equal to minus two, then some other outcome is also coming, Nirmal. Suppose if I put x equal to minus 1, isn't it coming as minus 1 by 2, Nirmal? And minus 1 is allowed as well. Acha. This is something. Hmm. Hmm. Now Shrikant is talking something. Options are minus infinity to infinity, minus 1 to 1, minus half to half, and minus root 2 to root 2. Hmm. Chalo. You guys are just answering, but you know how what is the method, right or not? Right? 0 equal to, or bring everything here, yx square minus x plus y equal to 0, right or not? So you'll be like x equal to minus b plus minus under root b square, right or not? Minus 4ac upon 2a to a. The only scene is, bhai, this 1 minus 4y square should always be greater than or equal to 0. Yes or no? And that is what is giving you answer, right? Got it? No need to get confused. Clear? If you want to calculate the range, invert the function and calculate the domain. Got it? Got it? Got it? Got it? Got it? Got it? ऐसा मत करो बेटा, ऐसा गलत आंसर नहीं देने का है, ठीक है? Ready? Sure. So that was relations and functions for you. Okay. Sure. Got it. क्वेश्चन कर लोगे तुम लोग? पढ़ भी रहे हो भाई कि नहीं घर में? Liars. In which question, beta? This previous domain, previous one. This one. Yeah, so you are saying, yeah, exactly, y should not be equal to 0, right? Yeah, ये तो बेटा सही है. That is correct. Options में there was nowhere this was mentioned. Okay, but your observation is absolutely right. Good. This should come like excluding 0, है ना? Exactly. Good, good. Excellent observation. Good, good, good. Very, very good. Chalo, anyway. Sure. Now what next? Relations and functions done. What? No. अरे इंटीग्रेशन पढ़ लो भाई, थोड़ा इंटीग्रेशन पढ़ लो, वेक्टर्स एंड 3D पढ़ लो. हाँ, एग्जैक्टली. बोल नहीं, मेरा मन चलेगा, अभी तो लास्ट वीक है. ठीक है. वैसे मेरा वन वेक्टर और 3D का भी है. ऐसे से is vector and 3D completed in school? Integration started? Integration over? Then it is good, yeah. Very good. In that case, this is good. In that case, okay. Sure. Vector and 3D. Okay. Ready? Yeah, exactly. Nirmal, that is what vector is like. Don't worry, okay. अच्छा वेक्टर है, beta vector is over na. I'm starting with vector. Acha, okay, vector is also not over. Okay. Chalo, I thought vector started and ongoing. No problem. Then different integration is the only option. Yeah, that's the better option. Ready? Sure. I'm ready. Now, so you understand if you guys have been through integration as a chapter, okay? Sure. If you remember, we had given the chapter differentiation a synonym as patience, right?
2 into 0, which becomes
The name of the chapter integration beta is format. Yeah. Remember the format, enjoy. Clear? Have we been through integration? So should we like we have to start what different definite integration? Okay. Okay, chalo, ठीक है. So I'll give a quick revision of indefinite and then we'll take a dip into definite. Okay? Yeah. Good. See, guys. So it's very well known that when we talk about integration, there are four prominent methods, right or not? One is antiderivative. Clear? Then comes substitution. Okay. Then comes by parts, and then come partial fraction, right or not? So I remember partial fraction we did not discuss, right? I remember discussing substitution. I remember discussing some by parts question and all that, right or not? Okay. Anyway. Relax. See, by parts. Okay. The prominent format in by part which comes into the exam is the e to the power into. Yes or no? We have been through this, I remember, right? Sure. Good. E to the power minus x cos x. Quickly. Integration of 1 plus tan x whole divided by e to the power minus x cos x. Hmm. Easy, e to the power x sec x. Very good. The only twist or they tried is if they'll write this, you won't remember that. You strictly remember the format. You said e to the power x is actual position of this, okay? And 1 by cos x is secant x plus tan by cos x is secant x into tan x, right or not? And you know differentiation of this is this, so the answer will be e to the power x into secant x. Got it? 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 Yeah, good, 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 good. Okay. Now when we talk about partial fraction, there are odd 7 or 8 formats. If you have completed that at the NCERT level, so I am expecting that you know those formats, right? Yes or no? Good. Chalo. A simple question. What will be the integration of 1 upon x minus 2 into x plus 2? Simple. 1 upon x minus 2 into x plus 3. So you will be like, sir, we can write this in the form of a upon x minus 2 plus b upon x plus 3. Right or not? Surely as of now we don't know what is a and b, but yes, we can easily calculate. How can we easily calculate? We will be like, sir, if we'll take the LCM, a comes into the multiplication of x plus 3. We are doing this in rough work, okay? And b comes into the multiplication of x minus 2. And this is equal to 1. Yes or no? Denominator and denominator got cancelled, right? Sure. If that is happening, see, understand this. If that is happening, you will just put x equal to minus 3. You will get this part as 0, minus 5. So minus 1 by 5 is the value of b. If you will put x equal to 2, 1 by 5 is the value of a. Yes or no? So now the question is 1 by 5 into x minus 2 minus 1 by 5 into x minus x plus 3, and you are happy for life. Why? Because the answer is 1 by 5 common logarithm of x minus 2 minus x plus 3, so divide by x plus 3. Got it? 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 Sure. Very simple and straight question, huh? Very simple and straight question. Simple, 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 simple. Integration of e to the power x upon e to the power x plus 1 into e to the power x plus 2 dx equal to. Again, easy, just slight patience is also required. Look at it, look at it, look at it, look at it. What will you do? Single step solution. Very good. What will you substitute? E to the power x equal to t. Right? Very good. So then you know e to the power x dx equal to dt. So in the numerator it will become just a dt 1 t plus 1 t plus 2. Yes or no? Can easily be dealt in the previous way. What is that? Quickly. Log of quickly. अरे यार, log of e to the power x plus 1 upon, नहीं, थोड़ा सा देखना पड़ेगा. माइनस आएगा. -1 किससे आएगा यहाँ? चलो देखते हैं. Nothing. Just where is the doubt is a upon t plus 1 and b upon t plus 2. So a into, yeah, exactly, t plus 2 plus b into t plus 1, right or not? Equal to 1. When we put t equal to -2, you get b equal to -1. When we put t equal to -1, we get a equal to 1. And yes, whoever answered this, okay, was correct. Okay, e to the power x plus 1 by e to the power x plus 2. Sure. So right, so you will have to just analyze the pattern. By pattern kya? Simple question, integration of dx upon x minus x square. Quickly. So nothing, you will have to first create the factors. 1 by x into 1 minus x, right or not? So you will be like a by x plus b by 1 minus x, right? LCM and LCM got cancelled. A into 1 minus x plus b into x equal to 1. Put x equal to 0, you get a equal to 1. Put x equal to 1, you get b equal to 1. Yes or no? Yeah. So 1 by x plus 1 by 1 minus x. Integration of 1 by x is log x. Integration of 1 upon 1 minus x is plus log of 1 minus x. Coincidentally, this minus 1 will go into the divide and will change this sign from plus to minus. Hence, eventually the answer will come like x upon 1 minus x. Got it? GI. Got it? Nirmal, got it? Nirmal, you made a slight minor mistake. Go. Yes. Integration of 1 upon x minus 1 into x square plus 1. Quickly. Quickly. I'll just take a washroom break. No answer yet. Chalo, no problem. Now, beta, this is a quadratic part, right or not? Oh, people got the answer as well. Good, 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 good. Good, Nirmal. Good. Minus 1 by 4 minus half tan inverse x. Sounds good. So, minus, yeah, sounds good. Good. Now, what Nirmal might have done? Oh, some different answer by Dharani. No tan inverse x by Adhiyaman. Good. So all three answers vary. Let's see. So for sure you guys are aware that okay, this will be expanded as a by x minus 1 plus bx plus c by x square plus 1. Yes or no? Right? Everyone? So we have a into x square plus 1 plus bx into x minus 1 plus c into x minus 1. Just to comprehend, I am writing that, and this will be equal to 1. We are here at the rough, this is the rough patch, right or not? Okay. When we put x equal to 1, we get a equal to 1 by 2. Yes or no? When we put x equal to 0, see, when we put x equal to 0, we get 1 equal to a 0 minus c. You know very well. What you know? You know that a is half. So c is going to be minus half. Yes or no? Now for b, put any value. Okay. Should not be 0 or 1. Clear? So like if I want to put minus 1. Okay. So if this is minus 1, then we will have the expression as, please note this down, 1 equal to 2a minus b minus 1 is minus 2 into minus 1 plus 2b minus 2c. Yes or no? Equal to 1. Now you know that a is 1 by 2. Cancel 1 0. 2. C is minus 1 by 2 is equals to 2B. So B is also minus 1 by 2. Got it or not? Got it or not? Got it or not? Got it or not? So this question will be written as integration of 1 by 2 times x minus 1 plus, okay, minus 1 by 2x by x square plus 1 plus minus 1 by 2 x square plus 1. You can very easily minus 1. By substitution, this is logarithm of minus 1 by 4 log of x square plus 1. And without substitution, this is negative 1 by 2 tan inverse x. Right? Muthu Ganpati, what happened? Okay. The integratable formats are so simple that you don't even have to integrate. Yeah, exactly. So Nirmal's answer was right. Okay. Anshu's answer is also right. Got it, guys? Got it, guys? Got it, guys? Got it, guys? Now, beta, can we move to definite integrals, because that's very important as well, and there is no end of integration. That's the primary scenario. Sure. Now see, understand this. There isn't any chapter simpler than definite integrals. Okay. Why? It's the only chapter where I can say that no question will come out of 8 lines. There are 8 lines. No question will come beyond it. Okay. Sure. Now, I remember that you have a primary intuition of definition of definite integral. Right? Yes or no? Answer please. Answer please. 0. Good. 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 Answer is yeah, people are coming up. X square by 2 plus 2x, x equal to 1, 5 by 2, because there is no importance of 0. Quickly. Zero? No, I don't see 0. I really don't see 0. At 1 we have this value. At minus 1 we will have 1 by 2 minus 2. So minus 3 by 2. Am I right? When we subtract, we actually add. Answer will be 4. Exactly. Got it? Everyone got it. 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 That's a definition. See, you would consider yourself fortunate if this kind of question comes. But I'm telling you that question will never come out of the given 8 lines. What are the 8 lines? What are the 8 lines? What are the 8 lines? Okay. Sure. Line number 1, that integration from A to A is 0. Integration from A to B is equals to minus B to A. Right or not? Yeah. No doubt. Very fundamental scenario. Right or not? Sure. Good. Okay. Then comes, see, this is first line. Clear? Simple question. If you are going from A to B and in between C comes, then integration of A to B can also be written as integration of A to C plus integration of C to B. Yes or no? Clear? Good. Till here, basic operations. Now specific operations. Look at the design of limit, then only you will have to remember it. Okay. Design number 1. If it is from 0 to A, f of x dx is equals to f of a minus x dx. Clear? Same thing more comprehensively. If it is from a to b f of x dx, it is equals to integration same a to b f of a plus b minus x dx. Got it? What do I mean by these lines? I mean that integration 0 to pi by 2 of sin x
தூங்கின மனுஷனுக்கு எழுப்பின மனுஷன் தண்ணி வாங்கி
will be
கொடுத்தா
equal
போதும்.
to 0
அதோட
to pi
தூங்கின
by
மனுஷன்
2
எழுப்பின மனுஷன் கொடுத்த
sin
தண்ணிய
90
குடிச்சுக்கிட்டே
minus
அவன்
x
திட்டத்தையும்
dx. Got
கேட்கணும்.
it?
சட்டப்படி புறப்படலாம்.
What I mean out of it is integration 0 की जगह 30 degree to 60 degree of sin x is equal to integration 30 degree to 60 degree of cos x.
இவன் எப்படி
Why?
தப்பிச்சான்?
60 plus 30 90
மன்னிச்சிருங்க.
minus x. Right or not?
எலிசபெத் எங்க? சீக்கிரம்.
Got it? Very good. So this property was based on 0 to A and A to B. Clear? So now comes. The last 3 lines very important here. Okay, please understand. Very important. Very important. Very important. Very important. integration of 0 to 2a of f of x can also be written as integration of 0 to a f of x plus integration of 0 to a f of 2a minus x. Got it? So please ensure no change. People at times just change it to 2a. Okay, don't. 0 to a and 0 to a. Clear? So line number 1 of the last 3 very important line beta. The last 2 very important line, and the guarantee question is going to come from there. Okay. Integration from minus a to a and integration from 0 to 2a. Clear? Both have dual probabilities. Can be 0, can be 2 times the integration of 0 to a. Clear? Same answer here, can be 0 or can be 2 times of integration from 0 to a f of x dx. Clear? Now this happens when the function is odd. This happens when the function is even. I am considering that you know what are odd functions and what are even functions, right? Yes or no? Good. No. Array beta. See, simple. Dharni. If there is a function f of x such that f of minus x is same as f of x, it is called an even function. Like cosine. Cosine of minus theta is equals to cos theta, right or not? So it's an even function. Whereas sine of minus theta is minus sine theta. That is it. F of minus x is equals to minus f of x. Got it? So if the function is odd, goes like this, directly 0. If a function is even, then thoda sa variation is there. Okay. Now how to do integration of this type, you can learn from 7th. Clear? Okay. Sure. Whereas this situation is different. It will be 0 or the same thingy, but the requirement is different. What is the requirement? 0 if 2a minus x okay, if f of 2a minus x is equals to minus f of x. Clear? And it is just f of x. Have you guys noted? Because I understand without doing question, it will be really hard for you to get which one to apply and what is this and all that shit. Clear? Questions ready? Yes. Properties ready? You guys have noted them all down, right? Good. Integration of minus 2 to 2 minus mod of x minus 1 dx. Which property? First line property, second line property, third line property, fourth line property. Which line property? Good. What will be the expansion? From minus 2 to 1 and then 1 to 2. Yes or no? Quickly calculate integration, calculate integration, calculate integration, calculate integration, calculate integration, quickly calculate integration. 3 got by Abhinav. 5. Anshu is like 5. So chalo, no problem. When we go from minus 2 to 1 beta, this function behaves like minus of x minus 1. Whereas when we go from 1 to 2, the function behaves as it is. So, keeping the minus sign alive, inside the bracket, what will you get? X square minus x. X square by 2 minus x minus x square by 2. Okay. So, plus x. Sure. X and x are minus 2x. X is what? In first case 1 and in second case minus 2. In first case it is 1 and in second case it is minus 2. Clear? In the same way, beta, what is the next part? What is the next part? Have I made any mistake? If you want, I can comprehend also. No problem. No problem. I can comprehend, beta. Integration is x square by 2 minus x. Okay. When I put x equal to 1, I get 1 by 2 minus 1. Clear? When I put x equal to minus 2, I get 2 minus 2. Got it? Yes. Right side x minus 1. Acha, okay, the second dabba. Okay, we haven't reached there. Okay, good. Thank you very much. Thank you very much, Adiman. Sure. So subtraction of these two will give you the answer of the first part. Next, this part. Integration will be x square by 2 minus x. When you put 2, you get 4 square by 2, 2 minus 2, 0 ho gaya. Minus, when you put 1, 1 by 2 minus 1. Okay, guys. Please be, the only thing I want to indicate from here, Evita, please be patient while putting the limits. Don't make a mistake there, else everything you have done will get ruined out. Okay. So don't do any silly mistake of sign, etc. over there. Clear? Sure. Good. Question. Integration of 2 root sin x upon 3 Okay, root sin x plus root cos x dx from 0 to pi by 2. From 0 to pi by 2. From 0 to pi by 2. 2 pi by 12. 2 pi by 12 तो is an option. Pi by 6. Yeah. Ganesh. Yeah. Good. So actually, if no coefficient is there, no, the answer is 0 to a. Answer is a by 2. Okay. So now, simple, understand this. If 2 and 3 wouldn't be there, the answer would have been pi by 4. Got it? But as 2 and 3 are there, got it? There is a method of quick method of doing that. Okay. Repeat, Rakesh, you don't have to integrate all the way and put the value and all. As soon as you see a format like this, okay, clear, and then 0 to a will deliver you an answer a by 2. So for me it was pi by, clear, 4. Okay guys, yeah, only for this format. Yes beta, from 0 to a wala format, Adhima, from 0 to a format. Okay, good. See, format is the scene, na? Without format we are nothing. Okay, very same question, and I don't want to waste any single second. 0 to pi by 2 by square root sine cube theta by square root sine cube theta plus square root cos cube theta. Okay, very good. That's what I wanted to know, right? No efforts required. No efforts required. Got it. Got it. Got it. Very good. Very good. Very good. Got it. Now do this one. It is only for Trigonov or for all 0 to format, sir. All 0 to a beta. All 0 to a format. Okay. Sure. Which satisfy that change. Okay. Now question. It is given that if it is given that integration from 0 to 90 degree of sine to the power 6x is 5 pi by 32. It is given that. Okay. Sure. The question is, what will be the value of sine to the power 6x plus cos to the power 6x Got it? Sir, if roots and powers are not there, will it be same as this? Yes, 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 better Rakesh. Until and unless it is not satisfying the value, it will be same. Okay. So yes, 0 to 90 degree sine to the power 6x is 5 pi by 32 given. What is the value of integration sine to the power 6 plus cos to the power 6 dx? Okay. So from minus pi to pi. From minus pi to pi, 10 pi by 32 is not the answer, Shrika Vipriya. है ना? Even you know that, right? Yeah. Quickly. Now this will use 2-3 properties. May I start? Pi by 4. Oh. 20 pi by 4, that is 4 5s are 4 8s are 5 pi by 8. Mayur, not a negative answer. रुक जाओ. Understand? If I count this as Q, do you have any doubt in saying that question is also equal to 0 to 90 degree cos to the power 6x dx? Yes or no? So you know that integration 0 to 90 degree sine to the power 6x plus cos to the power 6x equal to 5 pi by 16. Yes or no? Now, guys, अब हो गया है, बिल्कुल हो गया. It's a straight done thing. See, they want us to tell minus pi by 2 pi, है ना? We have just now calculated from 0 to 90, right? Now, beta, check line, the formula, the second last formula, minus a to a. There is an odd function or an even function. Surely even power means even function. So this will be 2 into, very good, 0 to pi by 2. Yes or no? Sorry, 0 to pi. Okay. Clear? Okay. Now done. See, done na, is sine to the power 6x plus cos to the power 6x. Now you know it very well. Look at the third last property. 0 to 2a can be written as 0 to a plus 0 to a. F of x, f of, yes or no, 2a minus x. Clear? What is 2a pi? Same. This is 2 times. So 2 into 2 times integration 0 to pi by 2 sine to the power 6 plus cos to the power 6. Now you know, oh wow, what? Yeah, this so we have calculated is 5 pi by 16. So 5 pi by 16 into 2 into 2 is 5 pi by 4. Got it. So that friend of mine who said 20 pi by 32, I had some expectation that he might come up ki sir nahi 40 pi by 32. 4. Okay. Sure. Got it. Sure. Chalo. Last property beta. So there is third last property, which is integration from 0 to 2a can also be written as integration from 0 to a plus 0 to a. First dabba will be the function as it is, but the second dabba will be function of 2a minus x. Clear? Okay. Got it. Ganesh, repeat. Yeah, please, Dharni. Directly we can use last property. Let's see. Yeah. So what is 0 to 2a? 2a is might be, but like if by Abhinav's suggestions we can reduce 1 or 2 steps, or why sine to the power 6 is 5 pi by 16, because better they will add this and this will get added to give this line. 5 pi by 32 plus 5 pi by 32 is 5 pi by 16. Okay, Ganesh. Abhinav is like 0 to 2a. What? So 2a is pi. But where is 0 beta? Abhinav? Chalo, anyway. First of all, beta, first thing first. In second step, this one, this line. But this is minus a to a. Acha, this is getting converted to. That's what. That is where I have used beta. Second step. Okay, chalo. No problem. Guys, first line. Acha, directly 2 times. I'll try. No problem. How 2 times 2 came, sir? See dear. This 2 you are comfortable. है ना? Directly output from the formula. 30. In the same way, bete, these two are coming. These two are same only, na? So addition is 2 times of 1. Okay. This is also coming as 1, like A, and this is also coming as A. So, chalo. Good. Thank you very much for your time, guys. Thanks a lot. Bye.